Hi friends, I am Nyson Lewis from GST Center. Today, let us see what are the various COVID-19 relief measures that was taken by GST Council. It is in 43rd GST Council meeting. These relief measures were discussed and various decisions were taken and later announced through various notifications. As you know, COVID has affected a lot of us, our life, our businesses. This affected GST Council also because the 43rd GST Council meeting, which was conducted in 28 May 2021, was after a gap of 6 months. It was chaired by Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, our Finance Minister, Sri Anurag Thakur, Union Minister of State for Finance and Corporate Affairs, Finance Ministers of various states and union territories, as well as other senior officers of the Minister of Finance and the states and union territories. Let us see which are the decisions taken in this GST Council meeting. A number of specified goods and services which is very much useful for this pandemic period was considered and recommended for full exemption from GST. It include medical oxygen, oxygen concentrators, oxygen storage and transportation equipment, diagnostic markers, test kits and vaccines. Whether it is imported on payment basis for donating to the government or on the recommendation of state authority to any relief agency. And these goods are exempt from basic customs duties also. So these specified goods got full exemption from GST. Then the council decided to keep GST rate at 5% on COVID vaccines and various relief materials to make them a zero rated goods was rejected actually. Then GST exemption is provided till 30th September 2021. There was another action which is very important. A group of ministers was formed by 29th May 2021 to discuss, to study and submit a report by 8th June 2021 for further actions. So it was discussed, decisions were taken, and it was on 14th June 2021 through notification number 5/2021 central tax rate that the reduction in various rates of goods and services were announced. So let us see which are the goods coming in. In this table, you can see the first column, it is chapter, heading, subheading, or tariff item. Second column, description of goods, and the next column, earlier rate before this notification, and the rate which will be applicable for this period as per the notification issued. So 30, that is tossless move up, and amphotericin B, that was the earlier rate was 5%, now it is only nil, that is fully exempted. Then medical grade oxygen, earlier rate was 12%, now it is made to 5%. Then remdesivir or heparin, 12% was the old rate, now it is made to 5%. Then COVID-19 testing kits, as you know, we need to diagnose whether a person is positive or negative. So that the GST rate for the same is reduced from 12% to 5%. So all these items got a reduction in their rates. Then again, in the second slide, you can see hand sanitizer, the rate reduced from 18% to 5%. So next time when you buy sanitizer, you just check what is the GST rate. It should be 5%. Then helmets for use with non-invasive ventilation, again 5% from 12%. Then gas, electric or other furnaces for crematorium. the present rate is 5%. The old rate was 18%. Then pulse oximeter, high flow nasal cannula device. The present rate is 5%. Old rate was 12%. Then oxygen concentrator or generator, now it is fully exempted. Earlier rate was 12%. So I have put some images also for easily getting an idea what does it mean. Then on the next table, ventilators, the present rate is 5% from 12% earlier. Then BiPAP machine, it is 5% again from 12%. Then non-invasive ventilation, nasal or oronasal mask for ICU ventilators or cannula for use with ventilators. The present rate is 5% from old rate of 12%. Then temperature check equipment. As you go to any shopping mall or any hospital or any place, they will be testing your temperature. So if you buy it for your family or for your business, then you just check the GS rate, it should be 5% instead of 18%. Then ambulance, it is 12% instead of 28%. So the for buying any ambulance for any charitable trust or hospitals or any relief agencies, etc., so it is 12%. Again, another notification was issued, that is 4/2021, that is central tax rate on 14th June 2021. The earlier tables I discussed was mainly goods, but this is for service. That is, as per chapter section heading 9954, construction services, serial number 34F, composite supply of works contract as defined in section 2 subsection 119 of the CGST Act 2017, supplied by way of construction, erection, commissioning, installation, completion, fitting out, repair, maintenance, renovation or alteration of a structure meant for funeral, burial or cremation of deceased. So it is actually making a structure for doing funeral or burial activities. So the rate fixed is 5%. Okay. So all these were the decisions taken by the GST Council meeting. That was the 43rd GST Council meeting and announced through the notifications, as I mentioned before. So hope you will be checking this rates of goods and service. At last, your life is precious. Stay at home. Follow the advisory of government as well as health authorities and save the world. Be healthy, be safe. Thank you.